Welcome to our short video on how to download, install, and use Sublime Text 3, a simple but very powerful text editor. Step 1 will be to open a browser, preferably Google Chrome, and open a new tab within. If you're using Google Chrome, you can start typing Sublime Text right on the direct on the search bar. Otherwise, let's go to google.com and then start searching. Google.com, enter, and we will start typing in Sublime Text 3, enter. Within the results that we get, we are looking for the secure and official link to Sublime Text. It should state sublimetext.com/3. Here, the /3 defines that you're accessing the page of Sublime Text version 3. Let's click on the link. It will take us directly to the official Sublime Text website and to the download page of the application. Right here, depending on the operating system of your computer or laptop, please choose the matching download file. The computer that this recording is being conducted runs on Windows operating system. Therefore, I will choose Windows 64. I'll click on it. Clicking on this link will start the download process automatically. You should see a small window open up on the bottom of your browser screen. The download process might take a few seconds. As soon as the download is finished, go ahead and click on it. If for any reason this option has disappeared, you can go to your Start menu, click, and start typing File Explorer. Click on this option here, and this will take you to your quick access where you can find your downloads folder. Click on it, and the executable setup file will be right here for you. Double clicking will do the same thing. However, we will go by the Happy Path scenario, and we will simply click on the link that is provided right underneath the browser page. So depending on your firewall settings, you will be prompted to choose whether you trust the source and whether you would like this application to make changes on your device. Unfortunately, in the recording, you will not see this option, but in real life, if you are given an option to choose yes or no, whether you trust this application or not, just click yes. This will take you to the installation window. First, you are asked where you want the application to be installed in your computer. Leave it at the default location or change it as you wish. By default, Windows will create a Sublime Text 3 subfolder within Program Files folder. Again, feel free to leave it as default, which I would recommend to do. Let's click Next. The next window will ask you whether you would like the link to Sublime Text in your Explorer context menu or not. It's up to you. Feel free to select it. Click Next. And in this next window, your choices, your selections will be summarized to get your confirmation. Next thing to do is to click on Install. The installation process might take a few seconds, and as soon as the installation is complete, you will be able to click the Finish button here. Now, the Sublime Text 3 is installed to your machine. Let's run a simple demo for you. So go to Start menu. Since you have recently downloaded the application and installed it to your machine, the Sublime Text should be right on the top. However, if it's not there, after clicking on the Start button here, just start typing Sublime Text, and it will appear within choices. Click on it. This will open a simple window for text editing. Double-clicking anywhere here on the name bar, file name bar, will open a new text editor for you to work on. Or you can start typing, and sample, it will create a text file for you to edit, just to demo. This concludes our demo of Sublime Text 3. We will dive into usage and features of Sublime Text as we progress further in our course. But at this time being, thank you for your time and happy coding.